quick outline of the course so that if you want to jump to a particular place, you'll know exactly where to go. We're going to start first with a Python refresher. This is a section to get you up to speed on Python because Django is a Python framework. You don't have to be an expert in Python by any means, but if you've never worked with Python before or you just want a refresher, that's going to be a great section for you. Next, we're going to be building 3 different websites in this course. Now, each of these is going to be building in difficulty. Essentially, the first website is just to get the ground level knowledge of Django, really see how it ticks. Next, we're going to be learning how to work with the database. And then finally, our third app is going to be a fully fledged web app where we're going to have an authentication system, creating, deleting objects. You'll see how all that works. Now, between our first and second site, I've got a fun little section that's sandwiched in between to give you a break and teach you about Git and how to do some source control for your project. And then between the second and the third website, I'm going to teach you how to deploy your projects. Now, deploy is just a fancy way to say putting your site live on the internet so that everyone can use it. And then after the third website, there's a little section called What's New in Django 3. So if you have some Django experience before and you want to see what all the new bells and whistles are in Django 3, that's going to be the section for you. Okay? I'm so excited to get started. Let's go ahead and move forward right now.